Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into the word capture. Capture is a B2 level noun that means the act of catching or taking control of something or someone. So, when you capture something, you're essentially seizing it or gaining possession of it, often through effort or skill. Think of a photographer trying to capture the perfect moment, or a chess player strategically capturing their opponent's pieces. The definition really boils down to taking something or someone into your possession. Let's delve a little deeper into how we can use capture in everyday language. Now, let's explore some synonyms for capture. A good synonym is seizure. For example, the seizure of the enemy territory was swift and decisive. Another suitable synonym is apprehension. You might hear, the police made an apprehension of the suspect near the scene. Yet another synonym we can use is grasp. We could say, her grasp of the concept was impressive. A further synonym is takeover. As in, the corporate takeover was a complex and controversial event. Finally, we have seizing. Like, the seizing of the opportunity led to great success. Now that we have covered synonyms, let's investigate some antonyms to broaden our understanding. The opposite of capture is release. An example of this would be, the release of the prisoner was a moment of great joy for his family. Another antonym is liberation. For instance, the country celebrated its liberation from foreign rule. We also have freedom, which is the state of not being captured. Example, the birds enjoyed their freedom after being released from the cage. An additional antonym is escape. As in, the cunning plan allowed for a successful escape from the guarded prison. A final antonym for capture is loss. For example, the loss of the key meant we couldn't open the door. Now, how can you use the word capture in your everyday life? Well, you might say something like, I want to capture all my family memories in a photo album. Or, the movie did a great job of capturing the atmosphere of the time period. Maybe you'll hear, scientists are trying to capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to reduce global warming. Another common expression is capture the imagination, which means to fascinate or enthrall someone. For example, the story really captured my imagination. You could also use it in business contexts, like the company is trying to capture a larger share of the market. Here are some more usage examples of capture in sentences and phrases. The photographer used a special lens to capture the vibrant colors of the sunset. The security cameras captured the suspect's image during the robbery. The scientist managed to capture the rare butterfly in a net. The artist aimed to capture the essence of the subject in her portrait. The spy was tasked with capturing vital information from the enemy. The team's objective was to capture the flag before the opposing team did. The documentary captured the struggles and triumphs of the refugees. She tried to capture his attention with a witty remark. The new software helps to capture and analyze customer data more efficiently. The journalist's article captured the mood of the nation after the election. So, to summarize, capture, a B2 level noun, means the act of catching or taking control. We explored synonyms like seizure, apprehension, grasp, takeover, and seizing. We also covered antonyms such as release, liberation, freedom, escape, and loss. And we explored several examples of how to use capture in everyday conversations and common expressions. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word capture helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn new words. As a challenge, create your own sentence using the word capture and share it in the comments below the video. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Thank you for listening to Hello Word. See you soon.